You know that incredibly slick, high-energy clip you just watched that seems like hours of professional editing? Well, the truth is that it wasn't hours of tedious cutting or intense color grading, but rather a long-form recording instantly turned into a cinematic masterpiece. It was created in just a few minutes by letting smart technology find the perfect moment and make it truly pop. No crazy editing skills are required. You don't need to spend hours in complex software, just pure efficiency. Today I am going to walk you through exactly how I use this tool to automatically chop long videos into viral-ready clips effortlessly. We'll cover how to create thumbnails, schedule posts, and manage everything from one single clean content calendar. Let's jump right into the setup process, because the first thing you need to do is sign up, which is super easy to get started with. There is a generous free tier available so you can test every single feature without dropping any cash up front. Once you log in, you land on the dashboard, which is beautifully clean, simple, and honestly designed for creators who don't want to waste time on complicated menus. Right up front, you have the main lanes: uploading your long-form videos, accessing auto-edit for clip generation, and the content calendar. That is the heart of this tool. It turns long videos into short social clips and actually helps you publish them without babysitting the process. Now, let's start with the magic everyone cares about: automatically editing viral clips from your existing footage. You can either upload a full recording or simply connect your hosting platform like YouTube or Zoom, and the AI scans the entire thing. It actively looks for highlights, big reactions, laugh moments, emotional beats, punchlines, and even specific product demos. The real trick to getting better results is to give the AI context by adding a title and picking the specific clip style you want. Choose from reaction, teaser, tutorial highlight, or a cinematic cut, depending on what your specific audience needs. If you want polished, high-end shots, choose the cinematic preset. If you want raw energy, go for viral or punchy edits. Here is a pro tip. Describe the vibe you want in that metadata box, including your audience and preferred moments. The more specific you are about the tone, whether it is comedic, inspirational, or educational, the better the AI picks segments. It is essentially like telling a human assistant exactly what you would choose and then letting it do the heavy lifting for you. There are also a few crucial settings to tweak before generating, like clip length options for short, mid, and long formats. You can pick the aspect ratio like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical shorts, ensuring your content fits the platform perfectly. Slide toward creativity if you want flashy transitions and more interpretation, or slide toward relevance if you need verbatim clips. There is even an exclusion list where you can say what to avoid, like filler chatter or profanity, to keep your content brand safe. In an example test, I uploaded a 1-hour live stream and labeled it as a high-energy demo for productivity hacks. I set it to create 4 outputs, and in just a few minutes, I had polished clips with captions and thumbnail suggestions. Honestly, after seeing the results without manual scrubbing, it almost felt like I was cheating the system. Next up, let's talk thumbnails. Because you don't need an external designer when the tool suggests the best frames automatically. You can customize the text, font, and crop, or upload your own style template to keep your branding consistent across all your content. Now, let's get into scheduling, which is where many creators stop grinding and start actually automating their workflow. Auto-schedule is basically a set-it-and-forget-it feature that queues your best clips based on optimal engagement times. The content calendar ties it all together, letting you see a week-by-week view and easily drag and drop clips to reschedule. For teams, there are even approval flows so your editor can prepare a batch and the owner can approve it before it hits the public. One of my favorite features is how the system handles distribution priorities. automatically tailoring content for different platforms. Of course, nothing is perfect, and it is important to be real about the trade-offs involved in using AI for production. Unlike fancy standalone generative tools, this isn't trying to generate brand new CGI clips from scratch, but rather enhance what you have. If your raw recording is low quality, the AI can only work with what is given, so you might need to do some light cleanup. But compared to basic scheduling apps that don't help you find clips, this sits in the perfect sweet spot for busy creators. My workflow tip is to keep your raw uploads organized by topic, as it helps the AI pick contextually stronger clips every time. You should also try different edit styles across the same video to see which version resonates most with your audience. So, is this the right tool for you if you are sitting on hours of content and want to multiply your reach without hiring help? If you are a podcaster, streamer, or part of a small team wanting to scale social output, this is a huge time saver. Bottom line, the automation is solid, the scheduling is reliable, and the thumbnail suggestions remove a ton of creative friction. All the example workflows and presets I used in this walkthrough are in the description, so feel free to copy them. If you liked this walkthrough, drop a like and subscribe if you want more breakdowns of the best creator tools available today. Go play with the auto edit presets, tell me which feature saved you the most time, and go make something awesome.